Next up here is Lvlt, level 3 communications. I had this on my watch a few days ago on this hammer candle and has now slightly poked its head above these all-time highs and is looking to make a potential move up. Usually when there's something like this forming, there's basically one side of the trade that is fighting the tape, and they're basically shorting first these highs. Eventually it's going to get high enough to where their stops are simply just going to be taken out and there's nothing to short against. So we'll keep this on my watch tomorrow for a potential move up and for that exact kind of play. The measure move here is from roughly $60 up here to 62, so call it a $2 move above here, so price target of about 64. Do want to put this on a longer term time frame here. It's a little bit easier to go ahead and draw out what I'm planning on doing as far as taking a trade here. This level that was initially established here of 62.08 is 62.10 roughly. It's still very significant, and as you can see, it come up, it broke below, came up, broke below, and it's just chopping around at this point. So I will be looking for a move above, not necessarily a gap above unless it's a gap and go, in which case I will take a move, I will take a position above that that opening price and see what happens here. So I will look for a long above 62.10 versus this VWAP. I don't want it to be too far away because this one is kind of a spready stock as far as the bid-ask spread. Could roll back 15, 20, 30 cents fairly quickly. It's not a huge volume mover, so it's not an ideal candidate, but I really do like this pattern and I will go ahead and keep it on my watch list for a move above. Initially the target is going to be the round number of 63. Like I said, the measure move here is to 64, so we'll see what happens tomorrow.